Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the stroke. So in order to have a stroke, we're going to go ahead and create a new layer, and then we're going to choose the type tool, and we're going to type something. Go ahead and type stroke, and then we will go ahead and we'll make it bigger. Okay. And we'll change the font, something just a little easier. Okay, so we've got our text here. Now what we want to do is we want to be able to add a stroke to that text. Now there's a couple ways that you can do it, but in Photoshop the easiest way to add a stroke is to go down to the effects and stroke. And you'll see it brings up a layer style, and these are all the different layer styles that are available, and it automatically highlights the stroke. And you can see that we can change that to a different color by clicking the color and choosing that color, and you can see now there's a stroke of red, and the position is on the outside. You might want to put it on the inside, and that'll move it so that the stroke goes bigger on the inside, or the outside, and it'll grow out. So that's a big tool right there, just using the position and then blending options. You can also bring the opacity down and the fill type. You can do gradients, patterns. So it's pretty cool what you can do with stroke. So that is the beginning or the start of how you would use a stroke.